Hey guys, me Misha, everything I say is not financial advice, my personal opinion. Let's wrap up our day. Uh, Still grinds higher. Look at this guy. Doesn't matter. Focus. Yeah. That thing would need a test. And there's no context on daily whatsoever. Um, Oil. This $2. Interesting. Look at this guy. Looks like a nail in the coffin. Huh. Interesting. It's this one, really. Interesting. Yeah. That would need a test, and it's not a spring. Spring was here. And then on test, there's a bigger volume. Weird. This guy finally closes. And we can see it on the so this downtrend doesn't make no sense because it's official correction now on daily. Volume doesn't look like an exhaustion. Yeah, this guy still holding it. Will it pop or will it go down? I don't know. It looks like it's gonna go up, at least up to here. You know what I mean? Fjord. Same deal, closes correction, so this charting doesn't make any more sense. It's this now. Transition extremum. In action. In action. When inferior time frame contradicts superior, you know which one to choose. Intel goes down. Yeah, it said there was no entry up there. This guy. ZTS. Nice, looks like initiative takeover. This volume down, this volume up. Yeah. Looks inspiring. Next up is here. It's here, really. Yeah, it's more like this. This thing goes lower. This thing goes lower. United Health looks like it's gonna show us the end of the short impulse. So will this in 8 minutes. So will this. So, yeah. Let's look at the biggest losers. Yeah. It's gonna be good for long soon. Ketchup. Amazon. Boom. Fell off the cliff. Look at this guy. Huh. Look at this guy. Fell off the cliff. Officially in correction now. Three months. Unstoppable. Doesn't reach the monthly level. Just drops. Can you freaking believe it? So what did we learn, Palmer? Not to do this again. Just a straight impulse. Well, there were corrections. Not to this extent. It dropped right into this level and didn't hold. You see initiative takeover, volume up, volume down. So we'll keep an eye on short situation here, but yeah. Oxy VRT. Oh, look at this guy. Good for short. Off. Gives us something similar to exhaustion volume. Yeah, just like this. And that was 10th of July. And it's short, so now mind this volume. So now we have this. And transition extremum. And direction up as of now. Then goes up, down. Yeah. The rest are like small losses, so let's maybe take a quick look at our daily watch review our daily watch. Maybe something that's confirmed down as it should have been, right? Boom, down, and then went back. PG. That's something weird. So technically that was a sign of strength, and it respected it and went lower. We don't know yet, but looks like this guy's right here. Why did I? It's very much like Lockheed Martin. Yeah. Oh, so high. That's horrible. Oh, why did I? Because we need a change of direction with these volumes in our face. Yeah. So we are here now. That's interesting. Beam. Look at this guy. Went down. It's counter trend. This 0.5 doesn't matter anymore because it changed direction. It's now a transition extremum, but volume distribution is weird. This is T1. It's not the biggest volume, so technically was okay for boom, 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 biggest volume here, here. Yeah, it changed direction on inferior time frame on an hourly. Rio. Unvolumed spring of expanding T2. Yeah, volume T1, but unvolumed spring. It still has volume compared to regular volumes, but yeah. Market is tired. That needed a test. It's so wild. So like super technically that was an entry after a test. This is wild. I don't think I would chicken out. Here's the spring, because and that was a T1 volume actually, so maybe something on 1 hour. Maybe this. That was a little too far from 0.5 on hourly, so I don't think I would dare. I don't think I would dare to take it like this. I didn't give us a test anyway. Okay, markets are closed. IBM goes lower. Looks like an exhaustion, and not the biggest, but there is volume here. So technically it's a sign of strength. Practically, I don't think so. I don't think it's gonna hold at all. Look how high everything is. It's horrible. 1 bar reversal and volume goes up. Boom, boom, volume, boom. Spring of this volume. Oh, but there's no, sorry. Never mind. Unvolume spring, and then goes higher. Yeah. The market is closed. I think I'm gonna let you go. Need to finish my monthly review. Look how fun. Look how fun. Look how fun. Yeah. Still there's no context on monthly for daily, but on hourly. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah. I don't know, everything can go higher from here, no problem. But also it can collapse. aka August month. I don't even know if it's actually traditional season for, yeah, the mortgage crisis happened in August, didn't it? Or has it not? Has happened, right? Yeah, this thing is going down. Everything is so tight in here. Unvolumed spring. Beware. That is good up to 0.5. And I think it's already reached 0.5. Yeah, right there. So this is weird. Oh, look at that volume. Look at that volume on monthly. That sign of strength, but it's in neutral zone. Got to be very, very careful. That's quite a volume. In 0.5 though. Yeah, in 0.5 of this thing. Yeah, but see, like bigger volume and correction than on spring, and spring is on volume, by the way, so be skeptical. It's skeptical. Here's the sign of strength level, and here's the test, the sign of strength. Yeah, like this. This thing is going down. Volume looks like it wants to stop. Oh gosh. Sorry guys, it's gonna get loud. We have like the tree trimmers working today, so I think I'm gonna let you go then. It's a sign. I'll see you later.